Are you happy?
No, I am sad.
Why are you sad?
Because I lost my dog.
Do you like pizza?
No, I dislike pizza.
Why do you dislike pizza?
Because it makes me feel sick.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
Why is it small?
Because I prefer a cozy space.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I prefer cold weather.
Why do you prefer cold weather?
Because I can't tolerate heat.
Is it fast?
No, it's very slow.
Why is it so slow?
Because it doesn't have enough power.
Are they rich?
No, they're poor.
Why are they poor?
Because they don't have a job.
Is this place beautiful?
No, it's ugly.
Why do you find it ugly?
Because there is litter everywhere.
Is your room clean?
No, it's dirty.
Why is it dirty?
Because I haven't had time to tidy up.
Is this task easy for you?
No, it's difficult.
Why is it difficult?
Because it's new to me.
Do you like loud music?
No, I prefer quiet music.
Why do you prefer quiet music?
Because it helps me relax and concentrate.
Do you have an old phone?
No, I have a new phone.
Why do you have a new phone?
Because my old one stopped working.
Are you tall?
No, I'm short.
Why are you short?
I guess it's genetic.
Are your parents young?
No, they're pretty old.
Why are they old?
Because they have lived many years.
Is your room dark?
No, it's light.
Why isn't it dark?
Because it gets plenty of sunlight.
Is your hair thick?
No, it's thin.
Why is your hair thin?
Well, it's naturally like that.
Is your glass empty?
No, it's full.
Why is it full?
Because I just filled it with water.
Is this test easy for you?
No, it's challenging.
Why is it challenging?
Because the questions are difficult.
Is your journey long?
No, it's short.
Why is it short?
Because my destination is nearby.
Are you strong?
No, I'm feeling weak.
Why do you feel weak?
Because I have been sick.
Is the road wide?
No, it's narrow.
Why is it narrow?
Because it's a small street.
Is the park empty?
No, it's crowded.
Why is it crowded?
Because it's a weekend.
Is the pillow soft?
No, it's hard.
Why is it hard?
Because it's a memory foam pillow.
Is this restaurant cheap?
No, it's expensive.
Why is it expensive?
Because they serve high quality food.
Is your workplace near?
No, it's far.
Why is it far?
Because I live in a different city.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm free.
Why aren't you busy?
Because I finished my work early.
Is your desk clean?
No, it's messy.
Why is it messy?
Because I haven't organized it yet.
Do you like sweet desserts?
No, I prefer sour ones.
Why do you prefer sour desserts?